my channel. I'm just hopping on to give a quick update. I don't know if you saw my community post, but MomoCon is only 2 weeks away. I will be guesting. My booth is number 113, and I will have a selection of cosplay props, well, cosplay accessories that I have been working on the past couple of months that are for purchase at my booth. I'm also going to have a drawing for a few items, one of which is this lovely grail that I've been working on. It's still a work in progress. It's not fully painted yet. There's no purchase to enter, is completely free. There's no purchase necessary to win, again, completely free. It's just something that I wanted to do for anyone that happened to stop by and say hi. So yeah, 2 weeks away. I am also conducting 2 workshops. One is about gold leafing, where I will teach you how to do the basics of gold leafing. We'll gold leaf a few little items and a few different textures, and just to give you some experience with gold leafing, and you get to keep your kit, which is really fun. And we'll also be doing a Warbler workshop, just the basics of Warbler. I'll be providing you with like Warbler's finest along with a few other types of Warbler, so that you can either create your own bracer based off of the design I'll be bringing as an example, or you can create your own original design bracers. So make sure to go MomoCon.com and check that out. You require an additional workshop ticket to get into, so make sure you grab those before they sell out. And if you don't want to go to the workshops, just drop by my booth to say hi. I would love to see you. So MomoCon, 2 weeks. What have I been doing this week to prep? Well, as you know, I've been working on a lot of cosplays to wear. I am for sure wearing Freerin, Barbie, and my 1880s Aurora. And, you know, I was working on Arwen Mortal Queen from Magic the Gathering. And if you see my last couple of updates, you know that it's been a bit of a struggle trying to get this thing put together. And I did actually make the full dress with my new fabric. It's got grommets in it and everything. However, I have come to the conclusion that this pattern is just not good. It's requiring way too many edits to get it to fit, even though it should be a simple princess seam sweetheart neckline gown. The pattern I got off Etsy is just not good. So rather than fighting with it for the next 2 weeks trying to get to work, I've decided to go ahead and scrap Arwen. There was just too much to do with the fit, and then having to make like the metal necklace thing and the crown. I just decided I don't have time. So I'm actually repurposing my Super Sailor Moon cosplay, which is hanging out behind me. I have gained a little weight since I made her, so I need to redo the skirt and the bodice. The bodice is mostly done. It'll be done today. Actually, I just need to do a little finishing on the seam, and then it's good. And then I actually have the fabric and paint to create a whole new skirt, so I'll be doing that this evening as well. But I'll be able to repurpose the bow and the sleeves and the hip rolls. But I am remaking the back bow, and I found some really fun holographic type fabric for the back bow, but I'm not certain I'm going to use it, but it is an option in case I want to do it. So it is just going to be a whirlwind the next couple of weeks to finish all of my stuff for my booth. I've been ordering a bunch of supplies, finishing up Sailor Moon, and restyling my Sailor Moon wig and my Barbie wig because they are in desperate need of it. I also need to style my Aurora wig still because it has box hair. It's the best way to say it, I guess. So that's all that I have for you this week. I know it's a bit of a short video, but I just wanted to pop on here, give you an update, plug my booth a little bit for MomoCon. If you enjoy my channel and enjoy the stuff that I share, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the like button if you liked this little update. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!